Did you know that you could replace your old sagging polyurethane mattress with a natural latex mattress that will last at least 4 times longer? Natural latex foam is very resilient and maintains the ability to regain its shape over time, unlike polyurethane foam, gel foam, or memory foam. And with a natural latex mattress, you won't be exposing yourself to harmful chemicals, VOCs, and chemical fire retardants. A natural latex mattress will not only support and contour your body, but your purchase will help support sustainable industries around the world. So take advantage of the opportunity to invest in your body at a fraction of the price during the naturalmattressfinder.com President's Day sales event. It's happening from Friday, February 15th to Monday, February 25th, 2019. Save up to $1,200 on your next latex mattress purchase, plus get $400 in free bedding. Wishing you the best sleep of your life on a natural latex mattress. Happy President's Day 2019 from naturalmattressfinder.com.